Hi, this is Tom Gardner with Jaguar at Buffalo. Right now we're going to be going through our mobile app for our new Jaguar F-Pace.
In the Jaguar In Control Remote app, you have a bunch of different features that you can access within your phone. So you can see your vehicle range, so it'll show you how many miles and then your current percent until you're empty. Under security, it'll let you know if the vehicle is alarmed or if any of the windows, doors, or hood or trunk are going to be open or closed. You cannot go into the app and close any of the doors or the windows or the hood or the trunk, but it will at least let you know if and when it's open or closed. Over here, under status, it'll say no issues detected if there is nothing wrong. If there is something wrong, like a check engine light, low washer fluid, low coolant, or if service is due, it'll display how many miles until the service is due or what is wrong with the vehicle. If you go into the remote, this is the most popular section for most of our customers. You can see there's 3 tabs up at the top. There's climate, door lock, and beep and flash. So if you go to climate, you can set a target temperature and the vehicle will run up to 30 minutes. Once you hit a target temperature that you want to activate the vehicle with, you press and hold here, and once you see it saying starting, engine will start to power climate. Up at the top, it'll say requesting. Once this bar loads completely over to the right, you'll notice that the vehicle will start to say engine and climate running, and you can start and stop the vehicle from any point during your experience within the app just by tapping stop climate. It will let you know when the vehicle is turned off, just like that. And if you go to door lock, you can see if the vehicle is locked or unlocked. So if you want, you can just drag and drop this lock button over to the unlock, and it will say requesting at the top, and then you'll get another notification right here saying that the door is now unlocked, or vice versa. Once that's complete, you can go over here and you can access the alarm section. So if you hold to beep or flash the green button right there, it'll activate the alarm. And if you go to journeys, you can see all of your journeys for anywhere that you've traveled. So every single time you start a new drive session, it'll log the actual journey. So for example, it'll show you that you were in the car for 20 minutes, 36 miles per hour was your average speed, your distance, and also your fuel efficiency right there. Lastly, under the More section, you can see the vehicle nickname and then the VIN for the vehicle. And also you can see how-to guides and then additional settings that you can access within the app. And that is the Jaguar In Control Remote app.
I hope you found this video very informative. If you have any questions, please stop in over at Jaguar Buffalo.